Let's try Mr. Beast Feastables chocolate chip cookies. So I got these at Walmart about a week ago or so, I would say. They smell pretty good. I already got the whiff of the smell of the cookies. They smell like Keebler chocolate chip cookies, to be honest. It might just be what they are. They might just be titled Mr. Beast, but I'm not too sure if it's just one cookie that tastes not that good, but let's just try one more. I'm not too sure, but it tastes like a rock. These cookies are so hard. They're not even soft at all. I'm kind of disappointed. I was kind of expecting something better than this for the price of these too. Like, these are like almost $3 per package. And kind of disappointed. I was expecting something a whole lot better, actually, and that's what I thought it was going to be, something a whole lot better. But these are not good. I would give these a 3 out of 10. I didn't know that they were making a rock to be a cookie. Like, literally, these taste like cookie-flavored rocks. 3 out of 10. These are very disappointing. Maybe the peanut butter chocolate will taste better. I'm not too sure. That review is coming tomorrow.